playing hooky. I want my bag.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
And what else do you love? What else did they give you?
Present.
No, I know, but what are you wearing?
Skirt.
What is it?
Skirt.
What can you do in that skirt? Can you do ballerina?
No.
Can I see some ballerina dancing?
Twirl?
Can you twirl?
Look, this is a thumper.
What is that?
Thumper.
Who's Thumper?
A baby.
Where's Thumper?
My tummy right here.
Hold that picture up so I can see it. Oh, wowzers!
I know. Thumper's in my tummy.
Happy Easter.
Say it one more time.
Happy Easter. We're trying